So just looking at the Daimler, I noticed that these cunning rocker cover breathers that I've made up for the K&N filters, um, they're actually, well, the one on the far side, the left-hand side, was actually on the wrong way round, which is what made me notice it. But looking at them again, they're actually starting to distort. They've been okay initially, but I'm not sure how long they've been on the car now. I'll look it up. But they are starting to distort, which I think is the heat rather than anything chemical. So yeah, here's the left-hand filter off the car. I've taken the stainless steel wire off, which holds these on. Just better take the other one off. So there's the part. And yeah, I think this one, I did actually have it on the wrong way around. So this nozzle attachment for the breather hose is actually canted slightly off 90 degrees. It's canted this way, which was a deliberate mod to the design that I made, having tried out a prototype. But I actually put it on the car with this canted the wrong way, so it's had more load on it than it should have. But even so, it's distinctly bent over. I mean, it's still functional. The hole's still there, for instance, but yeah, it's not good. I've also noticed just now that there's also a slot there which shouldn't be there. There's an opening. I can just poke this through. You probably can't see it, but there you go. There's where this wire has been. The plastic is actually separated for about an inch, 25 mil. So yeah, it is starting to fail, which is a shame. So what I think I'm going to do, I'll check out the positioning of this in terms of this angle, but reprint these not in PLA but in PETG, which is distinctly more robust material. While I'm here, actually where this has been, you can see there is a darkening here, which is good really. So it obviously means that the oil vapours from the rocker box are indeed making their way into the filter. So obviously I'll clean these things. I've got it off the car. Get this other wire off. It's one of the good things about the K&N, of course, you can clean them. Right, let's go and look up the design for this. So switching to PETG, it should be more rigid for one thing, less brittle, and withstand higher temperatures. So year round, I think it's a better bet. So I will give that a try. PLA has been fantastic for most things, but looks like this is one case where perhaps the heat in particular is an issue, and PETG should perform better in that regard, especially. Right, so I printed two more of these in PETG, which should be more temperature resistant. Should be temperature resistant up to 85 degrees or so. So not fantastic under an engine bonnet, but yeah, we'll see. PLA, on the other hand, is only really stable up to 50, 60, 70 degrees. So as you can see on this one, it has distinctly distorted the circle there compared to the freshly printed one, and it has bent as well. So yeah, we'll try these. If these don't work, then the next step is ABS, which again has even better heat tolerance. But we'll see how these go. I'm going to clean these and re-oil them and put the whole lot back together. Right, all back together, and new adapters on, the PETG ones. See if they last longer than the last ones. I'll keep an eye on them, obviously. Although, as I say, the last ones did last for about 3 years, so it may be a while, but I'll see how these stand up. Hopefully they'll be slightly better than the previous ones. Okay, thanks for watching.